Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and we're almost there with summer school. So, we're still working on the ocean cleanup, but this time we're going to do something fun and science related. We're going to make a recipe. So, these are pretty common ingredients or materials you'll need. Um, but if you don't have it, you can use something similar, and I'll talk about that, okay? So, let's go over what the ingredients are for our recipe. Ocean cup. We need a 6-ounce box of blue gelatin. We need 2 centimeters of hot water. So to measure that, you can also use like 2 teaspoons if you need to. 2 centimeters or teaspoons of cold water. And 21 gummy fish. Now, if you don't have gummy fish, you can use something else, such as other gummies or other candy you might have, or find something else that could work. We need a large bowl, a spoon, a ladle, which is another type of a spoon, and some plastic cups. Here's our recipe page. If you need to, you can pause the video when you're making the recipe. Number 1, put gelatin into bowl. So here's the blue gelatin, and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Number 2, watch adult put the hot water into bowl. You can also help if you're careful. So you're going to watch or you're going to help. And for the hot water, make sure it's about 2 tablespoons. It doesn't have to be perfect. Number 3, stir until dissolved. And this is stirring here. That means until you can't see the blue gelatin. Step 4, put the cold water into the bowl. Stir. So we're putting the cold water into the bowl. And step 5, use the ladle to fill each cup half full. So here's our bowl. We're using the ladle to fill other small cups with the liquid into, so we're going to put the gelatin mix into the small cups with the ladle. And then step 6, refrigerate for 2 hours. So you have to be patient and wait. Okay? Step 7, put 3 gummy fish into each cup. But remember, if you don't have fish, you can use something similar or something else. 1, 2, 3, and I put them in there. And then step 8, we're going to refrigerate 2 more hours. I know it's a long time to wait, but you can do it. And then our last step, the most fun step, we're going to eat. We're going to eat what we made. That's the best part. All right, there's your recipe card. Try your best. Pause the video if you need to look at the instructions and ingredients, and I'll see you later.